What's good, guys? It's your boy Harrison back again with another video. Today's video is all about an account growth strategy. So I'm outside right now. I had to get a breather, man. Inside the house, you're stuck in the house all day long. I'm in my car, really. I'm not really walking around or anything, but it's just good to get outside. It's so bright. The weather's lovely right now. But with this whole drama going on right now, you can't really be outside, be walking around and doing all that stuff. If you're new around here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're only producing winners from this channel, guys. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5K subscribers, and I'm believing for 10,000 subscribers from this channel. And I know we can get there, man, because you guys are lit, man. You guys are lit. You're coming back every single day and you're watching these videos, family. Here is a strategy that I use for account growth. I'm about to show you guys an account growth strategy that I've been using, and I believe will really benefit you guys too. So when it comes to account growth, you need to be consistent with what you're doing, right? So what I do is this: I trade percentages, I don't trade amounts. That means I always choose a percentage of my account to risk, and I stick to it at all times. So when I say that, I mean like literally I choose a 3% risk per trade. So that means every single trade I enter, the risk is 3%. So let's just say this was a £1,000 account, yeah, like it is here, and I'm risking 3% down here, and hit OK. So this tool right here is called the long position tool. So it's this one right here, long position tool. So you just put your entry to where your entry is, you put your stop loss to where your stop loss is, and then 3% of that, yeah, if I click on this now, yeah, if I have a £1,000 account, if I lose this trade, I go down to £970. So that's a 3% loss, which is £30. 3% of £1,000 is £30. So this is all it's telling me, that is, it will go down to £970. So it will be a £30 loss, right? And if I won this trade now, it goes all the way up to £1,576. So let's just call it just under 60%, yeah? So that means if this trade got all the way to this high right here, to roughly just above the high, then that's roughly about a 60% increase on my account, which is absolutely amazing. So this is what I do. A very nice account growth strategy that you can use is this. You can always do 1 to 3 R to R's, yeah? So check this out. This is a 1 to 3. So this would be a 1 to 3 R to R for me, roughly, yeah? So where it is now, actually. Let's just zoom straight in. So this Euro USD, I do believe there's a lot more upward momentum, and I'm going to be currently riding it to the very top. But one thing I've been doing when I'm just trying to compound accounts, I've been doing 1 to 3 R to R's, yeah? 1 to 3 R to R's, a minimum 1 to 1s, but I hardly touch a 1 to 1. Like you hardly ever see me do a 1 to 1 R to R. Let's break this down again. So a £1,000 account, this red zone is 3% of my account. This green zone is 3 times this red zone, yeah? So, and my risk is 3%, this is 9%. You see it? So which is literally 3 times 3, 9%. So that means when I enter the trade down here, after the break of the bullish flag on the 1 hour time frame, if I entered off of that trade and literally just put a nice 1 to 3, I would have hit TP already. Done deals. I'm out the game. You understand? Yes, so what if it continues to rise all the way up here? What I can do is this. I can delete this, yeah? Boom, delete. Literally wait for this zone here at the very top to be broken and retested. Boom, something like that. My stop loss here, 17 pip stop loss, and then go again, family. I can go again, yeah, literally just like that. But guess what? I'm not holding this trade no more. This trade is nicely closed. You understand? So I've just gained 9%, and now I'm in with a bigger lot size. So let's just say my account, if I gain 9% of my account, 9% of that was roughly about £90. So boom, boom, like that, boom. So now guess what? I can go in with a bigger lot size. So now my 1 to 3 gives me a lot more money because my account is bigger and I'm able to trade a much bigger lot size, yeah? So this is how it works, yeah? So check this out. Euro USD, if I wanted to enter this trade right now, my stop loss here says it's 17 pips, or call it about 18 pips, and I'm going for about 55 pips altogether. I literally come into this tool here, position size calculator, yeah, boom, put in my information. My account balance is in GBP. I've got a £1,090 account. My risk is 3% at all times, and my stop loss now is 18 pips. I believe it was 18 pips. Let's double check. 18 pips, lovely. Boom, 18 pips here. So I hit calculate. I can trade a 0.22. You understand? So now when I place this trade right here, 0.22, I might, guess what? If I lose this trade now, my 3% trade no longer is £30. It's now £32.70. Can you see how I'm risking the exact same amount of my account now every single time, but the values are increasing? You understand? So I believe there's a lot more upward momentum for Euro USD. So if I go back to where it was, I can't remember where I put it now. If I go back to here, check this out. This is what your boy is going for, equal highs. I'm going for equal highs minimum. Yeah, I believe it's going to go higher than that. But guess what? This now turns into what? A 1 to 17 R to R. So that was a 19 at the time. So maybe it just changed somehow. I can't remember. So check this out, just under 60% of my account, yeah? So that means this green zone here, if we got to the very top, it means that I'm gonna gain just below 60% of my entire account, which is absolutely phenomenal. 60% of an account, that's amazing. So it's already started moving, we're good to go. We've got the team in there as well. So guys, once again, if you wanna join my mentorship group, let me know, hit me up on Instagram, drop an education if you want education, drop mentorship if you want mentorship, and I can deliver both of those to you, man. So guys, check this out again. So EURUSD, so I'm believing for more upward momentum, and I believe it's gonna just keep on rising actually. But check this out, EURUSD, a nice bullish flag. You know, I love these patterns. I love these patterns. You get the push up, you know, you get the exhaustion phase right back here to probably stop out some of these buys down here. Done, it's done that now, it's all good. It's broken the bullish flag. I've been waiting since last week for this break, and it finally broke the bullish flag. That's good. So I'm expecting upward momentum. It could come back down here first for a retest and then push up. We're gonna see how it goes, man. This is a good one. And guys, pick your own R to R. Pick your own risk reward, whatever you're comfortable using. I've chosen 3% of my account per trade, and I've chosen to go for 1 to 3. But you can go ahead to choose 2% of your account. Check this out. So that means if you lost this trade, you go down from, and let's quickly change that amount to 1,000. Let's start that again as well. So if you lost this trade, that means you will lose £20. You understand? If you're winning this trade, you're gonna win £60, yeah? And so you might want to choose that. You might want to go for 1 to 2s. You might want to go for 1 to 2s. Let's check it out, family. 1 to 2s. You pick what's best for you and your strategy and your time frame. Everyone's different. Some people have to go to work in the morning and they don't want to be in a trade that they can't look at, right? Choose a 1 to 2. This is a 1 to 2. Guess what? You would have hit this trade. You would have entered off of here 2 hours. You would have taken 2 hours and you would have blitzed through this. A nice 1 to 2 R to R, risk to reward ratio. So guys, you guys know I always trade percentages. I don't do pips, couldn't care less about how many pips, no more. So I used to trade pips back in the day, but I completely switched it up, and your boy trades percentages, and it's the best. Like I said, it's the best, yeah? So as you can see, EURUSD is growing up, and I'm gonna show you this again on AUDUSD as well. AUDUSD, you can see, so just another bullish flag here. I just have it drawn up the bottom part here. And so you can see all of this now. So we've got the push. I've been in and out of this trade constantly, but right now, these are the 2 positions, so boom, yeah? So now check this out. This move here is a nice, let me expand it. This is not the very top. This is not the very top, actually. I want it to go a bit higher than that, so let's quickly do that real quick. Boom. So where was I thinking? I can't remember. Somewhere roughly about here, yeah? So now, once again, don't worry about where I put my TP, yeah? Guys, you focus on where you put your TP, right? Let's break it down. I'm going to break down this one inside here. I'm going to go to the lower time frame just to actually show you guys this one. So now check this out. This is another entry of mine currently in this as well. This is what it would be like to trade a 1 to 3. Let's go. 1 to 3 R to R. Boom. Here. Boom. If you're happy with that, choose that. So this is a 1 to 3 R to R. So that means all I have to do is catch 30 pips and I've done a 1 to 3 R to R. So you don't have to catch tons and tons of pips all the time. All you have to do is manage your risk. So when I say manage your risk, I mean manage how many pips your stop loss is, yeah? Because the bigger your stop loss, the longer it's gonna take for you to get to your 1 to 3, yeah? As you can see, boom. So that means now if I stuck to this move here, if I drag this down, it means I would have to catch 78 pips to get my 1 to 3. Whereas if my risk was a lot smaller, boom, 10 pips or something like that, yeah, then all I have to do to catch a 1 to 3 was roughly about what 30 pips. So like I said, manage your risk, family. I like to keep my risk nice and small so I can be in and out of these markets, family, yeah? So you guys can see a nice 1 to 3 R to R. So guys, I want you guys to go ahead and start doing this. If you're not profitable, or, you know, if you've been losing, you know, if you're able to catch pips but then it comes back down and hits your stop loss, try out this account growth strategy where you're going for 1 to 3 R to Rs and 1 to 2 R to Rs, and tell me how you're getting on. I'm pretty sure you're going to be doing a lot better and you're going to be a lot more profitable, you know, because too many of us, we wait and hold the trade and then it just reverses, and we're not about that life. Alright guys, and let's go back to EURUSD one more time because I'm in a position from EURUSD down here as well. So guys, this is how easy the strategy is, man. This is how easy it is to grow your account with this 1 to 3 R to R strategy. Boom. It's so simple. So simple, family. Check this out. Boom. Alright, so I'm in from here with a nice 10 pip stop loss. Just adjusted that to 10 pip stop loss, right? Guess what, family? Look at this. Right now, it's sitting at a beautiful 1 to 4 R to R. Just like that. You understand? I just 3% per trade, so boom, 3%, quickly adjust that. So that means if my red zone, my risk zone is 3% of my account, which is, let's just say £30, right? If I have a £1 grand account, right now I'm sitting at a beautiful £1,123 account. You see it? So in other words, I've gained 12% of my account now. So I can go ahead and close this trade out right now. I've got my 12% increase for the day, whatever your plan is. If your plan is to go for 5% a day, 2% a day, 12% a day, whatever it is a day, you can go ahead and close out your trade and stick to your plan. Be disciplined with your plan. Do you understand? So like I said, guys, if you are a swing trader, you go for the swing moves. You might want to go for the much larger moves. But if you want to be in and out in the day, go for a nice 1 to 3 R to R. Maybe go for 1 to 4 R to R, or even a 1 to 2. I like to go for 1 to 3s and 1 to 4s whenever I'm just trying to be in and out of the markets. That was the account growth strategy. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you're new around here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man, because if you're not subscribed to the channel, then I don't know where you are. You're probably in a 9-to-5 job doing your thing.
So there you have it, family. So that is the video done. This is how you grow account. Get away from amounts, get away from pips, and start trading percentages. So that's the video done. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're vibing with my content. We are on the road to 5K subscribers, and I'm even believing for 10,000 subscribers on this channel, guys. We are going places. I know this channel is really blessing and benefiting a lot of you guys. I'm seeing a lot of comments saying, Harrison, you're really blessing me right now. Keep on going and everything else. So guys, I'm going to keep on pouring out this content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.